Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to change uh, icon name in Rocky Linux 8 operating system using hostnamectl command. Open the terminal, login as a root user, hostnamectl. So here you can see some icon name is displayed, right? You can also change the icon name. So there are some predefined values for icon names. Please refer the hostnamectl man pages to see the list of icon names. Okay, so here I am setting the icon name as computer-desktop. So this is the command hostnamectl space set icon name icon name. So that is the command. So also you can see that icon name is got changed. Okay, so you can change the icon name, but you can't clear or remove the icon name. Okay, so I am putting back to the old value. So this is the way to change or set icon name in Rocky Linux 8 operating system using hostnamectl command.